Hello class 8. In our last computer class, we have started chapter 3, Input in Java Programs. So till now, what we have learned? We have learned three types of different input statement. First one by using data input stream class. Second one by using input stream reader and buffer reader class. And third by using a scanner class. See, for our inputting in our program, we are going to use the scanner class. Third one. So we have different scanner class for inputting the different data type. Like for the input that byte value, we have next byte methods. To input the short value, we have next short methods. To input the int value, we have next int method. To input the long value, next long. To input the float value, next float. To input a double value, next double. And to input a char type, next line dot char at 0, and to input the boolean, next boolean, and to input a string, next line. So these are the different methods what is given in the book in the scanner class. So our in the exercise, our first question is to write a program to input two numbers and print their product. So let us write this program to input two numbers and print their product. So let it be class name product. Class name is product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T. Enter. Open the product by double clicking or right click or open. Delete all the lines. There write import java dot util dot scanner semicolon. Okay. Then public class product. Next line. Delete, select and delete all the other lines. Now public static void main string args square bracket close. No need to write throws IO exception in the scanner class. Okay. Next line will be create a scanner object SCANEN scanner OB for the object equal to new scanner. Just go on typing new scanner and the bracket we have to write system dot in. So this will create the scanner object OB, and with the help of this only we will do the inputting. So first input the first number, system dot out dot println, give a message, enter first number. Okay. After this write int, suppose n1, variable name is n1 for the number 1 equal to, what is the method name? Method name is, see, what is method name? Method name is OB. Our method name is OB, so you have to write OB and method is next int. Next I capital int and give the method sign bracket. Okay. The same way again we have to type the next message, system dot out dot println, enter second number, enter second number SEC. Okay, second number, close semicolon. Int n2 equal to OB dot next int. So this is the second number. Now to find the product, we can take up the variable p for the product, int p or pro for the product equal to n1 asterisk n2. So this will find the product. Now print the output, system dot out dot println product equal to plus pro. Okay, close the bracket, semicolon, enter, close. Program is completed. Now compile the program. Message comes, no syntax error. Close. Product. Right click. Void main. OK. OK. It is asking to enter the first number. Suppose first number is 900. Enter the second number. Suppose the second number is 12. Product is 10,800. Very simple. Again, right click. Void main. OK. Enter the first number, any number, second number, see the product. So this was the first program. Now let us see the second question. The second question is write a program to input side of a square, and print its area. Area of a square is side into side. Now let us write this program. New class, area, class name, area of a square. No space in between. Class is already there with this name. So let us see. Okay. Close. So just try and delete it. Now new class, area of a square. Okay. Click on the OK. Created. Open it. Just like last program only. First will be the import line. Import java dot util dot scanner. This will be first line in each and every program when you do the inputting by scanner class. Now create the scanner object, same line, scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in. Close. The scanner object is created. Now enter side of a square. Give the message system.out.println. You can give a message to input the side of a square. Right? Enter side of a square. Okay. Close. Now you can take sint s equal to same method ob dot next int. So this two line will input the side. Now what is the side of a square? Int ss for side of a square equal to s into s. Now print it. System out println. Now print it. Area of square equal to ss. Area of a square equal to ss. Now close. So this program also is completed. So compile the program. See, there is error here. System out println. Oh, system is m is missing. See, type m now. Now compile. Public void line is missing. public public void, public static void, public static error comes when you do the typing mistake. The public static void main, public static void main string. I showed you today purposely that when you make the mistake, your program will not get compiled. So notice this thing. So don't make any such type of mistake. Okay. So this is a scanner creating the line, this printing line. Now compile the program. Semicolon is missing. Type the semicolon. So see, such type of mistakes come, error comes when you type the program wrong. So we got some idea. Now system m system.in. Compile, no syntax error. So see, like this way we have to compile the programs. If you find any mistakes, the message comes, take care of that message and remove that error and the program will compile. So no syntax error. Close. Right click, void main, OK. Enter the side. Suppose side is 8. the area came 64. Okay, again change the side, void main, press enter, size, suppose side is 12, so 144. So in today's class we have discussed two programs, question number 1 and 2, and in both the program the inputting is done by the scanner class. So I hope you must have understood that how to use the scanner class and scanner method to input the value in our program. Practice these programs. Thank you.